Hey everybody, Sam here from Sugar Spun Run, and today I'll be showing you how to make homemade cranberry sauce. Today's recipe is super easy and short. I wanted to share this one with you before the holidays. Cranberry sauce is a great addition to your Thanksgiving dinner, and it's even better when it's homemade. The first thing you'll need is a saucepan, and we're going to add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar into our pot. We're also going to add a 1/3 cup of tightly packed light brown sugar. Now, a lot of recipes just use plain granulated sugar. I like the little bit of extra flavor brown sugar adds, so I really recommend using a mix of white sugar and brown. We'll also add a 1/3 cup of water and 2/3 cup of orange juice. I really love using orange juice. It really helps bring out a bright flavor in those tart, somewhat sweet cranberries. Now we'll give everything a good stir, and we'll turn our stovetop heat to medium, and we'll cook this until our sugars are dissolved and until the mixture begins to come to a boil. While our sugar's dissolving, let's talk real quickly about our cranberries. You are going to need 12 ounces of cranberries for today's recipe. You'll want to rinse them and then just pick through them and pull out any bad or bruised cranberries and toss those out. You're not going to want those in your cranberry sauce. Now that it's boiling, we'll add our cranberries and give everything a really good stir. Continue to cook your mixture until it comes to a boil again, and then reduce the heat to a simmer. We will continue to cook our cranberry mixture on a simmer for about another 10 to 15 minutes. What you want is for all of your berries to burst, and keep in mind that the longer you cook it, the thicker your cranberry sauce is going to be. Another important thing to keep in mind is that while your cranberry sauce may not seem very thick while it's in your saucepan, it is going to thicken up as it cools, so keep that in mind. So at this point, it's been about 10 minutes of cooking. My cranberry sauce is thickened up quite a bit. All of my berries have burst. So now I'm going to remove it from the stovetop, and I'm just going to pour it into a separate container. Make sure you use a heat-proof container. Now let your cranberry sauce cool for at least 20 minutes. Once it's cooled for 20 minutes, you can transfer it to the fridge, and you'll want to let it chill there for at least 2 to 3 hours. That's where it's going to finish thickening up, and once it's finished chilling, you will have ready to serve cranberry sauce. That is all there is to making your own homemade cranberry sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple, easy recipe. It's perfect for your next holiday dinner, and if you try it out, please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.